In this video, I will show you how to check all devices where your Gmail account is logged in. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up any of the browser like this. So I'm going with the Google Chrome. So after going to the Google Chrome, on the right upper side, you will see this option called Google account. If you are signed in to your Google account, you will probably see this. So after that, what you need to do, just press on this and you need to click on the manage your account option right over here. Just tap on that. Then it will move to you like this page. All right. Then from here on the left upper side, you will see probably like these options. So from here, you need to go to the security option. Then you need to scroll it down until you find the option called your devices. Then you need to tap on the manage all device option. And from here now, what you can see is the devices that you were logged in. Like I have 3 sessions on Windows computer. So I have logged in these 3, and some of they are not like signed in right now, but the current session is like this one. So in this video, I have shown you how you can view all devices using your Google account. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.